All right, gang, another project from my E39. I've been having problems since I travel a lot and I leave the car standing still for months at a time. You know, battery drainage. And that's why I have here a battery tender specifically for my E39. So what are we going to do today is install a remote control battery disconnect. Two things with this. One of them, it deters people from stealing your car. Not that I have issues with that, thank God, knock on wood. And two, it disconnects the battery so you don't have any loss of drainage in the battery by utilizing this device. I actually bought it in Amazon. We will put the link in Amazon where I got it. I think it's quite unique. You can use it manually right here, on and off. It also tells you the battery amperage. And it comes with two remotes. So you can shut it off and on with the remote control. Let's get to it. Let's take the cover out. Several covers. So full disclosure, I already pre-done the work to get this done. I actually make the holes. You need to make the holes in order to put that unit in here, and here. At a later date, what I'll do, I'll just fabricate some flaps and I'll put a flap here and here. But I'll show you how that gets done. So let me take this out. Now the battery is free. One of the things that, depending on the battery that you have, if it's a BMW, obviously it's going to be the same, especially an E39. You're going to have to switch the terminal. This terminal now is down. It actually came the other way. So just unscrew these two bolts there and switch the terminal. All right. So let's go ahead and just do this. I'm not tightening it out yet. So the unit is hooked to the negative terminal. I mean, it's self-explanatory. I mean, there's instructions on how to do it, but this specific unit goes to the negative terminal, and this one plugs in into the positive. And look, it's reading the volts, 12.7, 12.6. All right. See, now this is not moving, which was my fear too as well. There you go. All right, folks. It looks like it's installed. Let's try it one more time. There he goes, 12.7 volts. It's working off. You can do it manually, and then I'll show you how to do it with remote control as well. So let me just get the cover in. Get this. Yeah, easy part. There you go. Let me just put this back in here the way it should be. Off. On. 12.7 volts. Look, it's working perfectly. No longer I will have a fear for battery drainage. And of course, if I start it off, people will have more difficulties in stealing, and hopefully that will never happen. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Till next video.